You need to hear this if you're a space lover. What if Mars went boom? Let's dive into this cosmic chaos. First off, if Mars exploded, we'd see one heck of a light show. But then, things get serious. All those Martian pieces would create a massive asteroid belt. Imagine space highways full of debris. Earth might get hit by some of that debris too. Not cool. And our night sky? It would sparkle with tons of new stars, but they're not stars, just Mars chunks reflecting sunlight. Our space missions would be in trouble. No more Mars rovers or plans to colonize the red planet. We'd have to find a new neighbor to explore. So, while Mars exploding sounds epic, it's a cosmic catastrophe we'd rather avoid. Stay curious, space fans. Keep looking up.